Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are still on the series of the theory part of the 2022-2023 West Africa examination. And today we are looking at question 2. The question says, in a football match, the tickets for children and adults were sold at 3D and 5D respectively. If 400 people attended the football match and 1,700D was collected in ticket sales, A, how many tickets were sold to adults? B, Mr. Sonko sold 250 tickets. If 175 of the tickets were for adults, how much sales did he make altogether? Now, to solve this kind of question, you try to interpret and extract simultaneous equations. You try to extract equations, and if the question is 2, then we'll solve it simultaneously. The first thing is that there are two sets of people that went to go and watch the football match, the children and adults. So let us say let X represents the children and let Y represents the adults. Now they said if 400 people attended, so for 400 people that attended, that means certain number of children and certain number of Y that we don't know attended, so making 400. So this is a question 1. So they now said, and the ticket that was sold makes 1,700D. That means the children pays 300 and the adults pay 500. So if the children pay 300, then that means 3 times the number that the children paid and the 5 multiplied by the number of adults will give us 1,700, and that will give us question 2. Now let me repeat. A certain number of the children and adults makes 400. The amount they pay is when we multiply the amount they pay by the number that will give us this. So from here, we can now solve simultaneously. Remember, we can use elimination method, we can use substitution method, we can use graphical method, and we can also use matrix to solve. But for simplicity for this question, let us use substitution method. Using substitution method. So from here, let us make either of these the subject. So let us make Y. So that will now be X equals 400 minus Y. So this is equation 3. Now substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Now let me write this. So from here, so that will now become 3. Remember, our X is now 400 minus Y plus 5Y equals 1,700. So by the time we open this bracket, this will give us 1,200 minus 3Y plus 5Y equals 1,700. So if we take this to the other side, and that is minus 3Y plus 5Y, now becomes 1,700 minus 1,002. So from here, this is 2Y. If we subtract, this gives us 500. So Y now becomes 500 divided by 2, making 250. So from here, we can now solve for X by substitute Y in either of the equation. Let us use equation 1. So therefore, X plus 250 equals 400. Remember, this is our equation 1. So x will now becomes 400 minus 250. So x equals 150. So now x equals 150 and the y equals 250. So the number of children that went to watch the ball is 150 and the number of adults that went to watch the ball is 250. Now let us look at the second aspect, that is B. They now said Mr. Sonko sold 250 tickets. If 175 of this ticket was sold to adult, how much sales did he make altogether? Now, so if he sold for B, now if he sold 250, that is the entire ticket, and the 175 is sold for adult, that is 250 minus 175. So if we do the minus, that gives us 75. So 75 of the tickets were sold to children. Now let us look at the entire sales. So sales will now give us, remember, it is 3D that is sold for the children, while it's sold at 5D for the adult, that is 175. So let us open the bracket. 3 multiplied by 175, that will give us 225, plus, if we use 5 multiplied by this, that gives us 875. So if we add the two together, so that gives us 1100. And then remember to put the unit. It is very, very important. So that is the solution for the question number 2 of 2022-2023 West African examination. If you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Thank you till I see you next time.